Hi, here's another video. I've got this Petrol remote control buggy today. Set the top off and show you. I think someone's had an attempt at fixing it. They dismantled it partially and not put it back together. So it also comes with a box of bits, which I've got to figure out. I don't know anything about these, never had one before. But I'm going to have to do some research, find out how you put it back together and how it runs and what's not. So let me just show you around the unit here. As you can see, it's done a bit of mileage, obviously. See all the dirt around it. Obviously it's an off-road vehicle. So I'm going to be having a look at that today. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is give it a clean because see all the dirt around it. So I'll just get my jet wash on it and just give it a blast. Just get rid of all the dirt and mud and whatever, rust that's there. Get the tyres are clean there. And then, like I said before, I'm going to have to do a bit of research, find out how you put the unit back together. Okay, I've got it nice and clean here, so that'll do for the moment. It'll take a few days. I'll just put it on here to dry out. And I'll just pop the cover on also. Let's pop that on there.